Welcome back, Super Friends. Today we are going to be dividing decimals and whole numbers. What you'll need is your math notebook or folder, a pencil to write with, and don't forget that super brain of yours. Stay tuned for the video. All right, Super Friends, we are going to be dividing decimals and one-digit whole numbers. As we progress through this unit, we will divide by more than one digit, whole numbers with the decimals, and we're going to end up dividing decimal by decimal. But we're going to take our time step by step. So what we do is we have our first example is 8.52 divided by 6. We're going to set up our house just like we normally would. The dividend still goes inside the house, which is 8.52. And the divisor still is on the outside of the house. Now the next step though that we do, because the whole number doesn't have any decimals in it, we can just simply divide out. What we do is bring the decimal point up in our answer so that we don't have to worry about it. And then we'll go ahead and start getting our multiples for 6. So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, then plus 6 more, 54, 60, 66, and lastly 72. If we need more, we can go ahead and get more. Actually, I think we will need more. No, we won't. We won't. All right, let's look at this 6. Our divisor, how many times does 6 go into 8? We should know that 6 goes into 8 one time. What is 1 times 6? 6. Subtract that out, we get 2. What do we do next? Anytime we subtract, we bring down the next number. So we have 25. How many 6s can I get out of 25? Well, let's look. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 for 24. Okay, let's do 24. Subtract it out. We get 1 left over. Bring down the next number, which is a 2. And lastly, 6 goes into 12 how many times? Twice. We see here, we put the 2 up top and subtract out the 12, and we got 0. There's nothing else to bring down. Excuse me. So our answer is 1.42. So the quotient, rather, of this problem is 1.42. We're going to do one more example, and the rest of them are really going to be just like this. So I'm not going to spend our time doing a lot of examples today. All right. So like before, we need to set up our house. We have our dividend inside the house. We have our divisor outside the house. Again, since our divisor is just a whole number, there's no decimals to worry about in our divisor, so we just put our dividend decimal up on the roof so it could be a part of our answer and we don't forget. And then let's get our 3 multiples. All right, so we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 33, 36, and I guess we could stop there. If we need to keep going, we will. All right, how many times can I get 3 out of the number 1? We cannot. So what do? Put a 0. 0 times 3 is 0. Subtract out 1 minus 0 equals 1. Bring down the next number. I have 16. How many 3's can I get out of the number 16? Well, the biggest number that I see is the 15, and that would be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth multiple here. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract it out. I get 1. Bring down my next number. Oh, there's 15 again. We just did that, so let's put another 5 because we know that it's 15. Subtract it out, and there's our answer. So our quotient is 0.55. A quotient equals 0.55. So that's how simple it is to divide a decimal by a whole number. So we're going to do this and keep building up our division skills. That way we can be even better. Use these notes to help you with your problems today.